Hi, this is the Realme C51 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So we should first open the box. To do that, let's just open it and what we can find here. So this is the charger brick, the original charger with all of the specifications. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable. And let's check also this paper box. Let's open it. So we got here the SIM eject tool, the quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card, and also the silicone protective case. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.